Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I just found out that my last video didn't record at all, so let's take a look. What we ended up with, I think, at the last one that we did was we had a function, f of x, and we were able to relate that the area function underneath that curve and the x-axis was going to be related such that the derivative of the area function was going to equal the curve itself, which means that the area function a of x is equal to the antiderivative of the curve f of x. I'll zoom in a little bit. I seem to be writing small. Problem is, then I lose you sometimes and I have to redo the video. Okay, so what that means is if we let the antiderivative, f prime of x equals f of x, then f of x plus c will be the antiderivative of f of x. And we remember that from the work that we've done before. So looking at this, what happens if I want to get instead the area under a curve between initial conditions? In other words, I want to give it some values. So here's my curve, and I want to say I want to know the area under here. I want to know the area between A and B. Okay, so I want to know this area in here. This is going to be f of x still, and we want to know that area between A and B. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at some initial conditions. We know that the area is equal to the antiderivative of f plus c. And so we'll plug in the first value, a of a, the area at a, which will be f of a plus c. Now the area here to here is going to be 0. It's just that vertical line. So that's f of a plus c. So c is going to be equal to negative f of a. Okay, so that's the first idea. What now if I want the area up to b? Okay, so I'm going to use, this is up to A. Now I'm going to take a look at the area up to B. The area up to B is, and we know that C is the same constant, so we'll bring that down, and it's going to be f of B minus f of A is the area between A and B. So what we know now is that the area under the curve f of x between A and B is given by f of B minus f of A. Okay. That's great. Now I'm going to stop this video and do one last one, which is going to tie it all in together.